All right, guys, we're going to open here in about a minute or so. I'll take a quick look at IGT there. Guys, I really like this Macy's over 32 off the open. I really do. Let me take a quick look at IGT. You know what? And let me do this, guys. Let me do this. Give me 1 second here. All right, let's do that. Make that easier for everybody. Okay. All right. We're going to open shortly, guys. And like I said, I'm really watching Macy's and Target. Off the open. IGT you can watch. It's third day up. It's not too bad. You know what I mean? It's not too bad. I'll throw it on the list because we don't have much. It does plenty of volume. Guys, if we like Macy's, we're gonna have to take it at 32 off the open. If we like it, okay? We're probably gonna have to do it with a 25-cent stop. And I really like this pre-market chart on it. That pre-market buy setup on Macy's right there. Okay, that's what I really like on it. So, I mean, I'm talking like 2 seconds into the day we might have to take this, guys. So I don't know that I want to take it that early. Okay. All right. So here we are, market open. And I don't want to have to take Macy's early, but I might. And the spread right now is 10 cents. Target, guys, watch Target. All right. All right. I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to put an order in for Macy's. 32 by 31.75, guys. That's it. Good. Pull back. Pull back. Perfect. Perfect, 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 guys. Okay. So Macy's, 32 by 31.75. There it is. Okay. Target, stalk it, guys. Stalk, Target. Wow, Macy's triggered already? Okay, wow, there we go. Guys,
order
half off Macy's, guys. Half off Macy's. 40 is the final target on Macy's. Stop, break even. Out Macy's. Wow. Done. Out Macy's. Done. All right. Out M for an average of 32.31. That's not exactly what I wanted. I was hoping to get a little bit more out of it, but did anybody guys get that quickly? I hope. You did? I hope so, because it was 55 cents, which was 2R. Okay. All right. I mean, guys, I don't think I've had a win. I mean, don't get me wrong. We get quick winners, but that was absurd. I mean, guys, I was in that trade for 8 seconds. 8 seconds. I mean, are you kidding me? All right. I should have got about another 20 or 30 bucks off of it. Anyway, time to move on, guys. I would like to find an entry. All right. I would like to find an entry in Target, but it's not right here. Okay. I would like to find an entry in Target, but it's not yet. It's not right here. Okay. So let's be patient. See if we can get a 3-bar play at the high of the day on Target. Okay. All right, M's pulling back a little, which might drag Target with it, guys. MU is moving higher. All right, the market is pushing higher. All right, I want to watch Target, guys. TGT is my favorite idea, but I don't want to take it yet. All right, because I think Macy's and the retail sector, they're pulling in slightly. The only thing I'm really considering at the moment, we're going to have to give us about a 40-cent stop, guys. All right, you know what? I'm going to do Target, guys. 74.30, guys. 74.30 by 73.90. It's a little aggressive, guys. All right, I'm typing it a little late. 74.30 by 73.90, half lot. Okay, I know the post is late, guys. I know the post is late. Okay, I know the post is late. All right. All right, we need a little more, guys, to take some off. I'm going. What are we at? We got about a 40-cent stop. We need 68, guys, to take. I'm going to take half off at 68 area, guys, right here.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out half, guys. I'm out half. I'm out half. The rest, whole number. The rest, what's that? 70.90 area. You know what? I'm going to take a tad more off here.
Order filled.
All right. I took a half lot on this, guys, and you know what? I'm going to walk, guys. I'm going to walk. All right? Come on, fill me.
Order filled.
All right. I'm out, so you can see it. I'm out for 50 cents, something like that. Not a very good whatchamacallit on that. I got about 1.1 R, okay? So out target at 74, 72.1, okay? I should have stayed in this a little longer, all right? I should have stayed in this a little longer, okay? It was a half lot, guys, to be very clear. You can see it. I only made about 132 bucks on it. It was a half lot. I got 1.2 R, I think is what it came out to be. As I told you guys pre-market, I'm risking $200 today because I'm doing these videos for YouTube. We started at 50 bucks, then I went to 100. Now I'm up to 200. Eventually you'll see 300, 400, 500, and eventually 1,000 bucks. Tesla is pulling back, all right? Okay. Target is going higher, guys. I should have held for another 10 cents on that. I wanted to have a cost average of 85. That was my goal, and I didn't get it. Shit. You know what I mean? 88 to be specific. CMG popped. Oh, we were talking about CMG K-Trade, weren't we, yesterday? Over, yes, over 433. Damn. No, it's not done yet, though, K-Trade. I think we can... If this thing puts in a little more volume and settles down, we can watch this over 436. All right, let's watch over 436. Not right now, though. The spread on this thing is $1, and I'm not ready. It's too thin yet. But yes, let's hope it holds right there. Okay. Cliff likes Tesla. Tesla high of the day, low of the day. Yeah, it's pulling in right now, so be careful, guys. You have a big topping tail on the SPY. Right, see the topping tail right there on the SPY? Big time topping tail. Red bars coming in. Qs, not quite as bearish, but still coming in. Target. Jared, you suck. My bad, guys, on Target, on the management. I should have got another 10 cents. Again, looking for a 0.85, 0.88 cost average. It cost myself 14 cents. Again, half lot. That was really the bigger mistake, taking a half lot. But let's be honest about it. That wasn't a great pattern. Our entry on that was really, really aggressive, guys. Okay, it was a very, very aggressive entry. Basically, we took a 2-minute high, and this gap was not really worthy of a 2-minute high, guys. Okay, I'm going to repeat that because when I make a mistake, you got to admit it. That was a good trade in terms of we made money, but this gap isn't good enough for a 2-minute high. Okay, we're just going off momentum and relative strength. All right, NVIDIA, guys, watch NVIDIA. How come nobody's brought up NVIDIA to me? Let's keep an eye on this thing. I know it's bouncing right here. CMG, guys, watch the 5-minute on CMG. Watch the 5-minute on CMG, okay? Stalk the 5-minute CMG 3-bar play over, was that 336? It may not give it to us, but we're gonna watch it. See it forming, guys? We need another 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes. It would be 436 by, wow, that's a wide stop. We could probably get a tight one at 433. So $3 stop, guys. If you like Chipotle Mexican Grill, just be mindful. The spread at the moment is $1.20 on the spread. $1.20 on the spread. Okay? Can't ignore it. It's $1.20. That's a lot, even for a $3 stop. All right, I like the 3-bar play that's forming. I'm not worried about the $6 move. And NVIDIA is showing weakness, relative weakness, guys. All right, let's keep an eye on NVIDIA under 242.50. So watch NVIDIA under 242.50. Okay? Watch NVIDIA under 242.50. Macy's high of the day. Wow, look at that little shake on Macy's. Went to the low of the day, shook out, now it's at the high. Target's about to break 75, and when it does, you could probably add to this and raise your stop to 74.70, guys. You can add to Target over 75 and raise your stop to 74.70. XRT with Unmall. Wow, nice job on XRT, guys. Well done. Well, yeah, great job. All right, great job. Nvidia is coming back up a little. I'm watching CMG, guys. See the wedge on the 5? Or sorry, on the 2, my bad. See the flag right there on the 2? See the wedge? I'm thinking 435.50, okay, by 432.50. That's what I'm thinking, guys. 435.50. I'm trying to decide if I really want this thing that badly. You know what? Let's give this thing a shot, guys. 435.50. We're going to get filled late on it. Okay, we're going to get filled. So I'm typing it now. CMG 435.50 by 432.50. Okay, I'm doing a slightly smaller lot on this. I'm doing about a 3/4 lot. Okay?
Order
I
filled.
could go... Okay. All right. We're filled. All right, we're filled. I really want to see this thing break 436, so it's a little bit aggressive getting in before this. So we'll see, guys. All right, we'll see. Okay. Got to break 436. All right, got to break 436. Look at target, guys. Target. Also, I might scalp CMG, guys. If I can get 1-to-1, I might. We'll see. I might scalp it. Needs to break 436. All right. So CMG target is going to be 338.75 area. I think I'm just going to scalp this thing, guys. All right. There goes target. Okay, guys. My 2 favorite ideas today. I really like target over 74.15 off the open. We traded it. I really like M over 32 off the open, but it's hard to trust. We traded it. Okay? So hopefully we'll get CMG to run. I only have a 3/4 lot on it, but it would be nice if we can get this thing to go a few bucks. All right. There we go, CMG. Come on, baby doll. There we go. Not yet, guys, on CMG. Shit. I want to raise the stop. 433.50 on the stop. Okay, 433.50. Gotta find my damn stop. It's so freaking far away. This thing takes forever to do this. Just leave it there. Okay. Come on, CMG. Don't do that. Come back up. All right, so CMG stop to 43. Did I say 4? Yeah, okay, 433.50. Yeah, I don't like that, guys. That topping tail is not good. It went, what is that? 250? Wow, it did. It went $2.50. I'm going to come up a little higher then, guys, on this. I'm going to go 434.50. It went more than a half hour. That's right, 438.250. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So we might get shaken out of this, guys, but I'm mitigating risk at this point. Okay. All right. So CMG stop 434.50. It went almost an R, guys. I mean, seriously, it went to 438. All right. I know I put 338 as a target, but so CMG target is 438.75 area. Hopefully we'll get lucky and come back up. MRVL, let's take a look. 3-bar play on the 5 on MRVL. I apologize, Robert. I'm not seeing that, buddy. I'm not seeing what you're seeing. All right. Okay, guys. I'm offering out CMG. I got filled for most of my position, but not all. I only had 50 shares of this. I got filled for 35 of my 50. All right, just FYI, I'm out. I don't know why it's only 35 shares, but I'm out 35 of my 50 shares. Like I said, it was a $3 stop. I'm doing 0.75R on this thing. So we'll see what happens with it. All right, stop break even, guys. All right, CMG out 3/4 and stop
Order
to break
filled.
even. Oh, never mind. I'm out all. All right, hold on. Let me just change that. Out CMG at 438. 6.2. Okay? You guys can see my fills. I don't have to type it in the damn chat room. You can see my fills right there, okay? I got $3.02 out of that, okay? On a $3, I got exactly 1 R out of it, okay? Yeah, I mean, honestly, you want the truth, Eric? I believe this thing's going to go 2R. I really do. It's just, I'm just protecting a solid morning. But I believe this thing will go a bit higher than this. Target, guys, is ripping. I'm trying to make myself feel better on Target, but the truth is I think the half lot was acceptable. You know, I really do. I think the half lot was acceptable. We didn't take a great pattern on it. We took almost pure momentum, and I don't like to take pure momentum. I like to take patterns. For those of you, I don't know if anybody did it, but I did specifically say, and I have it recorded this time, so I can go back and rewind it, to add over 75 on TGT and raise your stop to 74.70. I said that. You want to learn how to accelerate your winners, learn how to add and reduce. So we got in at 74.30 with a 40-cent stop. You add at 75. Your new cost average position is going to be somewhere around, let's see, the 70 cent and half, 35. Your new cost average would be 74.65 with a stop loss at 74.70, right? And now you're up to 75.50, so you're up almost $1 on double the shares. Think about what I just said. You're up almost $1 on double the shares, so you'd be up about 4 to 1. You know what I mean? Way to go, Braden. Way to go. I would have taken some at the half number, about half, and then let the other half ride. I would have taken half here and then let the other half go, and then just manage it out. But I'm glad somebody listened. Guys, I want to keep an eye on NVIDIA. NVDA. I want to keep an eye on NVIDIA. My only question and concern on this is this pivot right there. See it? 242 right there. That's my only issue. What I do like, however, is the fact that NVIDIA is staying pretty damn weak when the market is at or near the high of the day, right? The SPY is near the high of the day. Qs, not so much actually. The Qs are pulling in. My bad. The Qs are pulling in. Yeah, right there at 242. Okay. I know you don't want to hear this 16 minutes into the day, guys. But I think you know what's coming. I'm going to step back slightly. It's not that I'm done trading. I'm not saying that. I'm saying anything I take from here on out is going to be a smaller position. Okay, I'm probably going to do half lots for everything. You know, we got a solid 1R, even though it was a 3/4 lot. Macy's should have done a little better on Macy's, but it is what it is. And we did all right on Target as well. All right, again, that was a half lot. You know what I mean? All right. So, guys, SE, 1150. Talk to me. What's up? Nobody's talking about SE? Right there, 10-cent stop. I'm not saying you have to take it, but it's worthy of at least being mentioned, right? Should be at least be mentioning it. Yates is saying MMM is still valid. Wow, MMM looks good, guys. Shit. Thanks for bringing that up a second time, Jeff. Thanks, because I overlooked that one. Oh, never mind. It's popping the other direction, but yeah, that's a great idea under 200, but now it's popping. Obviously, you're not in it yet. I'm just saying that was a really nice find. There's CMG, guys, continuing to move. I told you, I believe there. It went to 440. All right, 440 is $4.50 on a $3 stop. That's 1.5 R. That's usually what I shoot for, 1.5 to 2 to 1, right? 1.5 specifically. Today, I was different, right? I got 1 to 1 on Chipotle. I got a little more. I got about 1.2 to 1 on Target and about 1.3 to 1. Oh, I got a good fill on Macy's. I got 31.97. Okay, I get it. So I did get almost an R and a half out of that. I got about 1.4 out of it. Okay. All right. Yates is canceling the Triple M, guys. This was a good find under 200. I know it's bouncing now, but that's a good find, guys. Where should we put the stop? I would have a 10-cent stop on this. I would use 11.39 or something like that. Right there. there's a chance this could shake. I've never traded this stock in my life, but it has room to $12. My only concern would be an average day is 45 to 50 cents, and this put in 45 cents today. But a good day on this thing will do 70 cents. So I would shoot for high of the day 1.5R. That's it. 1.5 to 1 on this. I would try to get 65 or 64 out of it. And if you do get in the low 60s, take half and let the rest go. Because this is a stock that could give you a nice quick pop and then come back in quick. That's my opinion of it. I hope I'm wrong on that, but to me, it's a kind of stock that could give you a quick pop and then come back down pretty hastily. All right. Nvidia I just saw that when Cliff said he's canceling Nvidia, but yeah, something's up with Nvidia. Guys, what did I say earlier? I hate to pat myself on the back, but I do genuinely try to keep you guys out of trouble. I told you guys, Nvidia is the type of gap that could bully. And I said, I will not take it unless it gets under 242 because I need for it to prove to me that it's weak. Did I not say that pre-market? And this is exactly what you're seeing. All right. It's happened to me too many damn times where I sneak in early on these things and then they turn around. All right. And it's annoying. That's why I was waiting for yesterday's low to break. If yesterday's low broke, there was a much better chance it would continue. Oh, are you talking about giving you great advice, Trader One? Or are you talking about patting myself in the back? Or are you just talking about both? Come on now. Two can play that game. 2R a day. Wow, nice job, Unmall. Nice job. 6R this week so far. Guys, did I not tell you also yesterday? Here I go again, Trader One. Here I go again. Did I also not tell you yesterday that Monday and Tuesday were choppy? But we will get a day this week where we get 3R, 4R, something like that. Well, today's that day. Got up close to 3R today. And that's kind of a normal week. You chop around for a little bit. You get a couple average days, a bad day, and then a good day, right? Wow, DG, Dollar General, ripped today. Retail is ripping, guys. Costco is ripping. Dollar General is ripping. Target is ripping. Macy's, however, is not so much. Hey, well done, K-Trade. Well done. I lacked a lot of patience on CMG. I mean, the pattern was there. I don't have a problem with the pattern. I mean, we took a little 2-minute wedge play right there. We could have perhaps gotten in slightly early, like 50 cents. Right now, you have a 15-minute 3-bar play forming. Yeah, Trader One, we get lucky sometimes. I do mean that. That's not patting myself in the back. We took an aggressive trade on Target. As nice as I liked Target pre-market, it was still an aggressive entry, and we got away with it. So every once in a while we don't. Sometimes we do. These are the days where you can call it quits in 20 minutes. Truth, you call it quits already. I mean, you're 3-0 today. What are you sticking around for? Look at this Nvidia, guys. My goodness. Chipotle's not done yet. It's not done yet. I was clear when I said I believe it can go 2R. I just didn't have the patience for it today. Look at that. This is why I liked it so much. And by the way, K-Trade, thank you, man. Seriously, thank you for bringing that back up. We had talked about it yesterday over this daily consolidation at 433, right? You and I spoke about it. We talked about it. And I want to say thanks for bringing it back up because nobody else brought it back up. We would have missed this thing today because people weren't paying attention. Traders weren't doing their job. This is why I get frustrated with you guys sometimes. I get frustrated because that's money left on the table if somebody didn't bring that up over 433. It's a perfect pattern over 433. Daily breakout inside of a 2-minute wedge. And nobody brought it up except for one person. Thankfully, K-Trade brought it up. Symantec, SYMC. I don't know, Andres. What are you looking at there on SYMC? That Nvidia is silly. So is TripAdvisor, guys. Look at that Trip. Remember? Same situation I said on Trip. This thing could just as easily bully today. I'm very glad we stayed out of those. Tesla's ripping. The SPY is ripping right now. The Qs are actually ripping as well. Market is just ripping. Yates is watching FTI. You know what? FTI is not bad. Like I said earlier, guys, retail is going pretty good. Costco, screaming. Dollar General. Dollar Tree, not so much. What are some other retails? We have Macy's. What's Gap, guys? GPS, is it? I can't remember what Gap is. Let's take a look. Oh, GPS. Let's take a look. Yep, that's Gap. TJX, are they still listed? Nah, they're rolling back. Oh, interesting that Target's doing that well today when the rest are pulling in. Walmart's up too. Okay, pulling in a little. Man, that Nvidia's cray. Guys, that SE is still hanging out in a range. Just saying, the SE is still kind of hanging out. It's printed 200,000 shares right at that area. You're looking at, I just don't think you can reasonably take a 5-cent stop on this. I don't think it's liquid enough. You want the reason why? I don't think it's liquid, meaning I don't think you're going to get filled at 45. You could try this if you want. You could try this. You could try to take it at 50 or 51. Half at 50 and half at 51. Half at 50 and half at 51, okay? Put your stop at 47, but expect 2 or 3 cent slippage. So share size for about 6 cents, but put your stop at 46 or 47, but share size for 6 cents. Make sense? And then try to dump it at 11.60 or 11.62 for like a 10, 12, 1.5, 2 to 1 pop. All right? But you have to take half at 11.50 and half at 51 on the entry. You're not going to get a full fill if you put your whole order at 51, in my opinion. I don't think you'll get a full fill. If this was like MU and it was doing 9 million shares, I would tell you to do a 4-cent stop, and that's it. Done. 4 cents. But it's not MU, and it's only doing 765,000 shares, and because of that, I think you're going to take 2 or 3 cent slippage. And if your share size is 4 cents and you take 3 cent slippage, that's a 1.7R loss, 1.75. But you get my point, guys. All right? It looks like it's going to go here soon, guys. It looks like it's trying to. It just printed 20,000 shares. The bids are stepping up. If you look at the level 2 here, bids stepping up, offer not so much. But there's a lot of hidden shares there. All right, so it's a tough, difficult level 2 to read. See the balance of power, guys? Buyers increasing. Sorry, sellers decreasing. Buyers increasing, sellers decreasing. See, it looks like it's going to pop here. All right, still some hidden shares there. So let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if they reload. But 1,200 by 800. Okay, see, they're starting to reload again a little bit. There it goes. It popped a penny. So you would have gotten filled at 51 on everything. Do you see the block order in there, guys? It filled 50,000 shares. You didn't even see it. It went from 288 to 346 in a blink. And now the bid is weak again. So I don't like that pop. If you want the truth, I don't like that pop. That's the kind of pop that looks like it'll pull back a little bit. But the good news is you're above VWAP now, right? 1149 is VWAP and you're above it. And see the spread come in? Boom. Guys, what'd I tell you? Right there. That's on record. You can go back and replay it. Okay? So I don't like the level 2, how it popped. And I also told you to share size for extra size because it could get jig. Guys, that is a perfectly... I'm taking a screenshot. That is a perfectly executed computer shakeout. A perfectly executed computer shakeout. Popped up by a penny. It made sure it got enough shares in. 60, 100,000 shares. And then it just shook the damn tree. Perfectly executed computer shakeout. You tip your cap. But you had an opportunity to get out at 50. You had an opportunity to get out at 50. All right, when I said it went to 51, bids are dropping off. That's not a fun experience, guys. That's not the kind of thing you want to be in. Okay. MMM is coming back down. Yes. It needs more time, Roy. It needs more time. All right. All right, guys. I'm going to shut the record off. All right. Obviously, leaving the camera. I'm going to shut the record off. I hope the folks on YouTube enjoyed this. How we make money at Live Traders. Real money with real account numbers, not bullshit like everybody else out there. Okay. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys soon.